Hello Bangalore, this is Suman from Dr. AV Receiver. So today I came with an Yamaha make RX-V775 AV receiver 7.2 AV receiver. So you can see the front panel. So nowadays the Avantage series the design will come, right? So in that sense only it will come. So but here the DSP is 3D DSP. So usually that in the Yamaha only the cinema DSP, like that the DSP is coming only from Yamaha only they are giving. So inside view, so when I will open I will show you. So the customer given us for an internal error. Actually the issue was then internal error, and actually the customer given to the service center also. So they have given and they have found that need to change the HDMI board. The whole HDMI board we need to change, like they supposed to change like that. They have given the quotation for higher price, and after that they came here. So just today we have received this. So as soon as possible, or because lot of systems are there for me also, in few days or after 2 to 3 weeks after, so I will get it done this, and I will share a working video of this amplifier, Yamaha amplifier. So from my side, what I am saying, so before going to an authorized service center, so kindly visit us. You will get an best result compared to any authorized service center. So this is I can bet you. That's all what I can say that. So this is what Yamaha make amplifier. And as everyone knows, we have a professional service center regarding audio video equipments. So if anyone requires, so kindly do contact me, Dr. AV Receiver. So we are located in Yelahanka, Chikkabommasandra. So no need to worry, ಕನ್ನಡನೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತೆಲುಗು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋನೆ ಕನ್ನಡದವನೇ, ನೋ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್.